Hello, my name is Hattie. This is my sister Amana. Today we're going to teach you how to plant a strawberry plant inside the pot. Step 1. To plant a strawberry plant inside the pot, you'll just have to put some compost. You need to fill the bucket with some compost. Filled your pot with compost. Now you make a little hole. Now you made a hole. You get your plant and then hold it upside down and then you tap on it. Now you got it out, you put it inside the hole. Now you get your shovel and put some compost around your pot, around your plant. Now you've done everything. Now we're going to put our plant inside the sun. Now it's in the sun. You just sprinkle it a little bit. Now sprinkled a little bit. It's Amana's turn. Now it's all done. Thanks for watching our channel. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.